So in this video, what I'm going to be teaching you is exactly how you can go out there, sell any affiliate product online and actually be profitable doing it. Look, 90% of the people that are out there trying to sell affiliate products, they're flat out failing. Literally, they're just wasting money when they run advertisements. They're getting zero results and they're like, this stuff doesn't work. It does work. It's just how are you implementing it? How are you doing it? So let me go ahead and walk you through a quick strategy that's going to give you the ability to not just sell affiliate products one time, but actually have a sustainable long-term business running affiliate products and selling affiliate products, okay? So if that sounds cool, go ahead and give me a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here, guys. All right. My name is Kevin Hokoana, by the way. I've run multiple 7- and 8-figure companies, and my passion is teaching you how to go out there and grow a business online using marketing strategies and tactics like the one you're about to see. All right. So let's go ahead and walk you through this. And again, I'm going to show you an example of ClickBank, but it doesn't matter what platform you're using. Okay. This can be a JVZoo platform. This can be running affiliate products to Amazon products and services. It doesn't matter. The principle in what I'm going to show you and how you're going to do this, that's what matters. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this is clickbank.com right here, and they've done hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars in sales so far, right? It's like ridiculous how much money flows to this company. And they basically let people go ahead and put their affiliate products on there. If you don't know what it is, you can go check it out. But really, you can just leverage this as an affiliate. So let me show you something here. Let's say I'm in the weight loss niche and I'm going to sell a weight loss product using affiliate marketing. What I would do is I'm going to go to the product offering inside of ClickBank. Let's say I want to sell this lean belly breakthrough. All right, I'm going to open this up and we'll take a look at what they got here. So if I wanted to sell a weight loss product and I wanted to start with lean belly breakthrough on the front end, here's the deal. Most people that are going to go out and market this, what they're going to do is they're going to find their affiliate link and they're going to go out there and they're going to place an ad on Bing, or they're going to place an ad on YouTube, or they're going to place an ad on Facebook, or they're going to go out to Instagram and post it to their Instagram accounts. All right, or buy an Instagram influencer and say, hey, can you post this link for 50 bucks? Right? That's what they're going to do. Now, that's all fine and dandy, but the problem is, let's say you get 100 clicks over to this belly fat burning breakthrough. All right, you have 100 people that have clicked, which means you have 100 people that are interested in losing weight. Now, your average sales are going to be about 1%, all right? Probably less, okay? So if we know that our average sales are going to be 1%, why are we sending 100 people to a website when we know we're going to lose 99% of them? We're never going to hear from them again. So here's what you want to do. Here's what you do, all right? We're going to walk you through the entire strategy. So if this is your affiliate product and you're trying to sell this, you know, do this 2-minute simple ritual to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours, all right, what we're going to do is we're going to run with this concept here. That's the capture page, bridge page to the affiliate product. All right, so we're going to set up a capture page that looks something like this. And that capture page is going to be designed to do one thing. It's going to be designed to capture that person's information. So when they click on this, when they see this capture page and it says, hey, free video reveals how to lose 12 pounds this month, feel and look better than you have in years by making this strange tweak to your diet without spending your life in the gym. When they click on that and they say, yeah, I want to see what's on the next page, we're going to get their email address. All right. And that gives us the ability to follow up with them. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to follow up with them. So hold your horses on this. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to follow up to get some massive sales, okay? But what happens is, instead of just sending them from this capture page to the bridge page, which some people are teaching, or I'm sorry, capture page to the affiliate product page, instead of doing that, what you're going to do is you're going to send them from the capture page over to a bridge page. Now, a bridge page is a page that we put between that capture page, that simple capture page, and the sales video. What this enables us to do now is talk to the prospect, talk to the person who put their information in here. Why do we want to do this? We want to do this for 2 reasons. One, we want to say, hey, this is who I am, all right? My name is Billy Bob, and I lost 52 pounds in the last 3 months. And I did it using tactics and strategies that you're going to see on the next page. And then you want to let them know you're sending them an email. I'm going to be sending you some emails and showing you exactly how I do this stuff. So make sure that you open my emails from, I lost weight, BillyBob at ilostweight.com. All right. They know who you are. Hopefully they like you. And now they're going to see you as somebody who's more of a trusted advisor versus a salesperson, right? Because you're not even selling anything. You're recommending something. And so now when people click this continue button here and they click on over and they hit this affiliate product, they're more likely to purchase because you just told them this is a good product. Now, only do this for products that are actually good products. Don't go out there and telling people like this product's phenomenal when you don't know. So I would definitely buy any products you're going to promote. If you're going to promote a product, buy it, check it out, make sure it's something you want to put your name behind, okay? So they hit this affiliate product page and now they're more likely to buy. But look, if only 1% of the people actually purchase this, guess what you got? You've got their email address. And so as soon as you get their email, you can send them a quick email with like a tip on weight loss, like, hey, exercise, cardio exercise has done this for me. Or, I stopped exercising and here's what happened. I started fasting. I did intermittent fasting. I started doing all these things. These are the tweaks that I made to my diet. This is how I got to do X, Y, Z. And then you link back in those first 3 emails over to this initial product that you're selling. Okay, so you're going to want to have a capture page, a video on a bridge page that they'll go to where you're introducing yourself and saying, hey, I'm going to send you emails. And then you want them to go click to continue to go on over to their affiliate product that you're promoting. The first 3 emails that you send them are going to be about this affiliate product. And you might even get a lot of that ad copy to send in your emails from the people who actually made the product itself. Usually they have some email swipe files and stuff like that. So a lot of times it's actually done for you. Okay, a lot of times that part's done for you, but we don't stop there. Okay, and there's more. What happens is after day 3, okay, for the people who bought or didn't buy this, what you're going to do is you're going to send them down, and day 3, your 1, 2, and 3, you're going to send them this affiliate offer. Now, the ones that didn't buy or did buy, doesn't matter. What we're going to do is on day 5 through 7, we're going to send them a couple more emails, 3 more emails, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to leave them alone for 2 days. And then we're going to send them email 5, 6, and 7. And that email 5, 6, and 7 is going to send them to a related product that they looked at for product number 1. They're looking for weight loss and fitness, but that product wasn't a fit for them. That's okay, right? Let's go find another one. So if I go, let's say, over to ClickBank again, all right, and I say, okay, I've got this offer here, this lean belly breakthrough. What about maybe these people are having hip flexor problems? Maybe they want to learn more about red tea detox, okay? So I would open up this product. I would grab my affiliate link, okay? And I would look at this product itself. I'd probably go purchase it to make sure it's something that I think is good. And then I would go ahead and for the next few days, send them information about this particular product. All right. So day 5, 6, and 7, now I'm promoting something else, but it's a like product. Okay. It's very similar to what they already looked at. It's not the exact same thing. It's similar. And some of those people are inevitably going to purchase it that are on this list that you're emailing. And then what you do is you leave them alone for a couple days. And then you send them a couple emails on day 10 through 14 to another related product. All right. You see the theme here. Let's go back to ClickBank. All right. I'm going to look at some more products. Let's see what the cookbooks. You get the keto resources. Keto, right? Let's go check it out. This is all the rage these days. So you could write up a couple emails about ketosis and send them out some emails. Now, I wouldn't send them, I'm going to be honest here, I wouldn't even send them to this capture page. What I would do is I would actually opt in. So I would go opt into this capture page and see what's on the next page and then send them the sales video, okay? Because I don't want ClickBank, this ClickBank product, to go ahead and get that email address. I've got the email address. I don't want them to have it, all right? And I would use this information on this page as my email swipe file. Look, I want to show you, I want to give you this free download for 20 chicken recipes, 20 beef pork, right? You can send this stuff over to them, all right? But yeah, there you go, guys. So you just keep going through, and maybe this isn't the right product. Maybe you go back to another one, but you get the idea. This is what is important here. is that you're running them from a capture page to a bridge page where you're introducing yourself, and you don't have to get on camera. All right, you can if you want to, and that can be as easy as grabbing your iPhone and just being like, hey guys, how you doing? My name is Kevin Hokoana. Where you're going to see on the next page is some really cool stuff. It's going to help you out, blah, blah, blah. Let them know who you are. That way when you send them an email, they're not like all weirded out thinking you're just spamming them. They know who you are. They expect an email from you, right? And then 2, send them on over to this page that they opted in for. Now, whenever you come out, maybe after they get past this 14 days, you might find another product that you think is cool in this niche. And you're slowly building lists and leads in this niche. You go from getting 50 leads to 60 leads, 100 leads, 1,000 leads, 10,000 leads. And now one day when you find a product you like, you can email it out to your database and get 100, 200, 300, 400 sales on one product and become a super affiliate. So that is how you do it, guys. This is the process you go through. Capture page to bridge page over onto the actual sales video of the affiliate product. If you guys thought this was a cool video and you want to see more videos like this, leave me a comment down below on what you want me to break down next, whether or not you want me to break down more videos on how to work and sell affiliate products, or maybe you want to learn more about capture pages, or maybe you just want me to write you a script for a bridge page and show you the software that I use to put this stuff together. Let me know what you want to see. Just let me know in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Click on the button right around here somewhere. Subscribe to it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so when I put out new content, you guys will get it. I'm here to help you out, and that's it, guys. So take care. Talk soon. Run this model. I promise you it'll be the best thing you ever did if you're trying to be an affiliate marketer. If that's what you want to do, this is the only way to do it. And in fact, most people struggle until they figure out that this is the way to do it, and then they flourish. And that's going to be you. All right. So Kevin Hokoana here signing off. Take care, my friends. Talk soon. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.